Welcome back to another episode. As you can hear, we're testing the alarm systems for whatever reason, just a test. We'll see. I initially wanted to take the bike, but I've got a flat. I don't have a spare tube with me, plus I'm a little bit stressed. I've got to be there soon-ish. So that being said, we're gonna take the car, meet up, and then help them out. Probably not gonna be able to film anything. I just don't want to film anything because I'm gonna be helping move a lot of stuff around inside their house, friends of ours. Yeah, we'll see if I get any clips in. Yeah, so as you can tell, it is now later in the evening. I didn't actually film anything inside because I thought it was a little bit disrespectful to, when you're changing everything up, there's just chaos everywhere, and I didn't really want to be that person. That being said though, we helped them quite a bit, I think, and then just stayed, chilled out a little bit at the end. That's gonna be it for today's episode, I think. Now I'm just gonna go back home. It's already 11 p.m. That being said, stay hydrated. There's a lot of R's in the outro here. Oh, it is way too dark anyways. So I'll see you guys around again. Do some sports, stay hydrated. Peace out.